In this video, I will be editing this fuel cell. It's made in China, so it has a substandard fuel lid cover. As you can see here, it's melted by the fuel. The plastic deformed by itself when exposed to fuel. So I remove this and I will cover this with an aluminum sheet. This one we already cut it, and I used a oil cap from a Mazda bulb cover. As you can see here, we remove this oil cap and its aluminum part where there's a thread for the oil cap, and we shaped an aluminum sheet metal to cover this area. We designed this for easy drainage and easy removal of dirt inside the tank. That's the reason why we place this oil cap at this corner, so that when cleaning, dirt will easily go to the corner and will easily go out to this new fuel cap.